Well, as March break approaches, many vacationers are choosing Hawaii over Mexico these days. Hawaii is hot, so too is the Canadian dollar. But despite an increase of violence in Mexico, many Vancouver Islanders are still flocking to the sunny destination. Bruce Kirkpatrick reports.
Lorraine is a Victoria travel agent. She's going to Mexico tonight.
Manzanillo?
Are you worried?
Not at all.
But Curtis knows that vacationers are wary of Mexico and agrees more and more people are choosing Hawaii these days due to crime in Mexico, where travel...
It is down a little bit, I think, Bruce. Certainly there's concerns with some people going to Mexico. Hawaii is very busy this year, yeah. It was very busy January, February. Actually, very difficult to get space in Hawaii in February. It was completely sold out.
This man, Robin Wood of Salt Spring Island, was in Mexico this winter when he became victim of a home invasion in Malaki, south of Puerto Vallarta. Wood was shot in the chest and died. He was friends with Sid Taffler of Victoria. They visited Mexico every year.
You might feel a little more vulnerable because you think that you stand out. You know, you're a Canadian and North American and you look like a rich person.
Is Mexico safe? Depends on where you go. This CBC map shows spots that are highly dangerous in red, possibly dangerous in orange, and safe in green. There's more red and orange than green. Taffler says much depends on the condition you're in light of all those Mexican all-inclusive resorts, food and booze included.
The idea is to avoid high-risk behavior, I would say. I mean, if you're going to come out of a bar drunk at 2 o'clock in the morning and stagger around, well, there are probably people on the street watching for that kind of activity and they'll take advantage of you.
Do your homework. Travel with a little bit more caution, but I don't think it's a don't go there. Go to certain areas. Be careful of where you visit. Certainly the border states are out of bounds, right?
Police records show just one Canadian attacked in Mexico in 2007. That rose to 5 last year. Rick Johnson says 1.6 million Canadians visit Mexico every year. Meanwhile, with spring break almost here, sun packages are going fast. Pick your beach, wherever you decide it's safe.